Hey there! Want to feel lighter, more energized, and see real results on the scale? If you're tired of complicated diets and endless restrictions, let me introduce you to something simple, effective, and delicious. The Smoothie Diet. Trust me, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Imagine this: losing weight, detoxifying your body, and boosting your energy without sacrificing flavor or variety. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the Smoothie Diet, it's totally doable. So why should you consider the Smoothie Diet? Let me break down just a few of the incredible benefits that make this plan stand out. First up, fast and sustainable weight loss. The Smoothie Diet is designed to help you shed pounds quickly by replacing 2 meals a day with nutrient-dense, low-calorie smoothies. These smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied while burning fat. Many people see noticeable results in just 21 days. And because the diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, you're nourishing your body in a way that promotes long-term health, not just quick fixes. Benefit number 2. By cutting out processed foods and replacing them with smoothies full of fruits, veggies, and healthy fats, your body gets a natural energy boost. Say goodbye to those sluggish afternoons and digestive issues. Plus, the fiber in these smoothies helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, so you feel lighter and less bloated throughout the day. Finally, benefit number 3. The Smoothie Diet isn't just about losing weight, it's about transforming the way you think about food. By following this plan, you'll start craving fresh, wholesome ingredients over processed junk. You'll develop healthy habits that last well beyond the 21 days. And because you're fueling your body with all the nutrients it needs, you'll feel better from the inside out. So, there you have it. Fast weight loss, boosted energy, and a healthier lifestyle all packed into delicious smoothies. If you're ready to kickstart your transformation and experience the benefits for yourself, don't wait. Click the link in the description below and get started with the today. Supplies are limited and you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to feel your best. Here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.